So this is the PETZEE wireless pet fence. So it's really cool because it has a sensor and a collar, and then you just basically create the boundary that you want for your pet, right? Your cat, this is for a dog most likely, but the circle grows bigger and bigger so you can train them on zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, kind of like depending on your yard and the area. So we'll go through all of that. The other thing that it has really nice when we unbox everything, just wanted to kind of walk you through all of those things. So this collar is gonna go anywhere from pet sizes 6 to 28 inches. We've got an 80-pound, 75-pound Labradoodle, so we're gonna go pretty big. And then it also has separate probes, right? So it has a long probe and a short probe. I'll show you that when we go into the box itself. You can manage up to 3 pets with this and have a bunch of different settings. So it's easy to set up, easy for adjustments. So I'm gonna jump into everything. Let's jump into the box right now.
Okay. So as you open up the box, you're going to be able to see the settings. And the nice thing is you just hold the power button down for 3 seconds. That's going to give you the mode. It'll also give you the distance here, and then you can just hit that plus minus to change the distance when we get outside. And I'll show you when we actually get outside and get this plugged in and ready to go so you can see that.
This is the actual stimulus collar. And what I was talking about earlier is you have adjustable nodes that you can kind of just screw in here depending on the size of your dog, how furry they are. You know, if it's a smaller dog, you probably not need as long ones, or if they have short fur, you would need shorter ones. So there's this. It does come with the batteries, they're here. And then all of the accessories that are in here is you've got a test light to make sure that the stimulus is actually working. You have an adapter to charge it in. You also have some boundary flags. Those don't actually do anything. Those are more visible for the dog. I'll show you those. You have a shim right here. You have the strap. You have the 2 batteries, which I just showed you. And then you can see right here, you have a short contactor pin and then a long contactor pin. And that all comes in this box. If I pull it all out, so you can see all of it here. So here's the collar here, and then there's the holes right there for the contactor. You can see those 2 holes. So we'll set this here. It's your AC, not your AC, but your DC right here. USB. There's your 2 sets of flags. So these little metal flags for a visual representation for your pet. And then this is where the little nodes are. I want to make sure that I don't rip this one open, but so USB to USB-C, and then there are the nodes right there, and those actually just screw right into this guy right here. So not that hard to put together. Here's the shiv right here, the shim, not the shiv. Make it a little bit bigger. So that is everything in the box. So we're gonna get this on. And our dog is, just to give you a preface, our dog is basically free reign of the backyard, not free reign of the front yard because it's fenced in. And so I may actually just go out in the front and show you what that looks like in the front. I probably will keep him on a collar, just because he will go crazy in the front yard unless we've got him on a leash. So we'll walk out and we'll show you what that looks like once we ever get everything put together. So one thing that I found super helpful was this kind of guide as far as the level and the range comparison. So 1 is 12 meters, 39 feet. Level 16 is 118 meters. That's 387 feet, bigger than a football field, obviously. So you can adjust this to basically create the range that you want. And then once you're there and you have it done, that's what your range is built on. So I'm just gonna do this super quick. There's 2 little grooves right here. Turn that. Saw that I've got the battery in. And the nice thing is you have a little tester to make sure that the indicator is working on that. So I'm actually going to charge the receiver, get everything ready to go. We'll show you a little bit with the tester. I think that is actually a really, really brilliant idea, is this little testing tool, so you're not testing it on yourself and or your dog if it's up too high or anything like that. So let me get the receiver charged and ready to go, and then we'll go from there. So I just wanted to walk you through the PETZEE. So we've got the PETZEE right here just sitting outside, and I've got it set on the shortest setting, which is about 40 feet.
So I've got it connected, and you'll see as I walk away that it will start beeping when I get to about 40 feet. One of the things that I want to remind you of is you want to shake the collar to make sure that it's active. So as I'm walking over here, you'll see that I'm just shaking a little bit. You want to make sure that the collar is active when you're first setting it up. So that'll help you set it up quicker and faster.
You can hear that beeping right. We're about 40 feet. I'm right behind this tree, so I'll slide over here in the grass and you can see me right here. So we're about 40 feet away from the sensor. And again, the nice thing about this is you can train your dog depending on where your dog is at on different distances. So you have a bigger yard, you can train them on a bigger yard, a smaller yard, or zones within your yard. Our dog is pretty trained as far as in the yard. In the front of the yard though, it's very similar, where he will go to a certain point and kind of just stay. He doesn't go out in the street or anything like that. And so if I were to keep going, the collar will actually keep going off to remind the dog, right? And you, which is nice. There it is again. So what you can't see up there is there's a blinking red light on the collar right here as it's beeping. I'm gonna put that close to the microphone so you can hear that. Now we have it on beep mode. You can also have it on vibrate mode or shock mode. And so we're actually going to throw this on the dog and just bring him out on a leash. So he'll go, he's kind of lazy, but he'll go out this far and you can kind of hear it with the dog and see what that looks like as well. And now as I come back, I'm within that distance, so I'm not going to get any more beeping or anything like that. So one of the things that I already really like, we talked about this during the unboxing, is these sensors. So our dog has a lot of fur. You're going to see that in just a second. So these long sensors right here, or activators, are going to be important to get through all of his fur. So I'm going to pause this, go get him and bring him out, show you what this looks like with the dog. Okay, here we go. So this is Scout. He is 85 pounds. He's a Labradoodle. Maybe he's about 80 pounds right now. So he's got a double collar on, and he's going to go to the bathroom. Yeah, you good? Okay. Come on, keep coming. Oh, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. So right now we're green right here. You can see this is on him, and this is his old leash right here. It's got a tag in it. So as we come near the gate, I might take off the mic just so you can hear it. As we take off the gate, you can hear it. It's right next to him. So this will keep beeping until he gets back within the zone. So if we come back, okay, come on, let's go, come on, let's go inside. Want to hang out here for a minute? Okay, he's gonna hang out here for a minute. Come on. Just because I'm recording the video. He loves it though. Okay, let's go see. Maybe he's gonna go bathroom, hang out. We'll wait here for a minute, and if I need to fast forward. There you go. Let's go into the bathroom. And again, like we mentioned earlier, this is for medium-sized dogs. You can adjust the size of the actual collar. Does it have a hook on it for a leash? He might just be hanging out here for a few minutes. So let me give you my final thoughts. So final thoughts on the PETZEE dog collar trainer, kind of wireless fence that you can put around your yard. A lot of footage. You can go up to, I mean, it was massive, right? I mentioned that earlier in the video. Super easy to use, super easy to program. The install guide is really easy. It works right out of the box. You don't have to program anything. You don't have to do anything. And the beautiful thing is it is wireless. All of the other ones I've seen either have remote controls or you have to install stuff in the ground. This one is Bluetooth and it will give you different distances. So, which is really, really nice that it works that way. The other thing that I really like about this one that I have not seen in other kind of collars or trainers is the sensor or the connector in the leash itself or in the collar itself. There's long ones and there's short ones. So depending on your dog and the type of fur or different things that they have. So again, this is the PETZEE. Let me just grab the box and show you. Make sure I get this image in here for you so you know what you're not buying anything that is not this version right here. Super easy to use. This whole setup is easy. Again, appreciate you. Thanks for watching.